Kajingmi jingkeno alor karai Pynjlan ke sorkar MDA2 ya ke election MDC chikayang dorbar Khas Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC Bat Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC sahin riau banai kelapelong yu nong aiktien ke sorkar MDA2 ba polling do panong bah kapor Dr. Mukul sangma kumu menteri rangba ke jelaru Pynjlan ke election MDC Hagar Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC.
Well, I think this was obviously with reference to the fact that last year the state government has already been approached by the district councils for the much needed revision and redefinition of the various constituencies. As you are aware, some of these constituencies have voters of roughly 15,000 to 15. But there are some constituencies which have 3 times that number. So in all fairness, if an MDC is to deliver, at least there should be a certain amount of parity, and the same MDC should also be able to, in order to enable him to represent the people adequately, there should be some parity, at least in the number of voters of each of the constituencies.
But the opposition VP?
Well, they are entitled to their opinions. All I can say is that this is not unprecedented. In the past, the Kyrwoh Hills, the GHADC, has had 2 years of extension when Dr. Mukul was the chief minister. So an extension of 6 months, when you compare to what was done in the past, an extension of 2 years is certainly relatively a very brief period.
Alor ke jingpen kre ke UDP banya airang ke election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat ba pol ong bagadan ke jing saus kem ba ukurtong ke parti ba Robert Jun Karjarin unjob hakani ke kinti.
Of the party regarding the upcoming Lok Sabha elections?
The party has already started moving in the right direction. Various constituency committees are meeting, and the candidate is touring various parts already. He has visited West Khas Hills in the past 1 week, and we hope that we should be able to complete his taking part in various meetings within the prescribed time by the Election Commission. Well, various issues have already been spelled out by our candidate at when he was declared as the official candidate. Those issues are very vital, and we are fortunate that we have been able to select the best possible issues which are relevant to the Lok Sabha. And that apart, since 2 major regional parties have come together under this alliance, and also at a time when the aspirations of regional parties is going to be a major focal point of the Lok Sabha elections, we are very optimistic that our candidate will sail through.